In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete applied jobs on LinkedIn. If you want to clean up your job activity and remove applications from your LinkedIn job tracker, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside LinkedIn so you can find your applied jobs and remove them when that option is available. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main feed page. This is the standard homepage where you normally see posts, updates, and activity from your network. Starting from the feed makes it easy to navigate because all the main sections of LinkedIn are accessible from here. Next, look for the jobs option in the top navigation area and click on it. This will take you to LinkedIn's jobs section where you can browse listings, manage your searches, and review your application activity. If you're using a smaller screen, the layout may look slightly different, but the Jobs tab should still be clearly visible. Once you're in the Jobs section, find and click on Job Tracker. This area is where LinkedIn organizes the roles you've saved, applied to, or are monitoring. It's especially useful if you've submitted multiple applications and want a better overview of your progress. Inside the Job Tracker, click on Applied. This filters your tracker so you only see jobs you've already applied for. That makes it much easier to locate the specific application you want to remove or withdraw, instead of scrolling through every saved or tracked position. Now, find the job entry you want to delete from your applied list. If you already applied, click the three-dot menu next to that job and then click Withdraw. This is the action LinkedIn provides for removing yourself from that application when the option is supported. Keep in mind that not every application may show the same controls, depending on how the job was posted and whether it was handled directly through LinkedIn. If you don't immediately see the withdraw option, it may mean the application can't be removed from that screen, or the employer's application process works differently. In those cases, you may still be able to manage the listing from the tracker, but the exact options can vary, and that's it. That's how to delete applied jobs on LinkedIn by going to your jobs section, opening the job tracker, filtering by applied, and using the three-dot menu to withdraw the application where available.